period. I don't care. You look at anything, you look at sports, you look at career. People want to be around successful people because you have no choice to either, they would either say either you join in or you join out. You can't be both. So when you're around a successful team, those habits, those traits start to rub off on you because you no longer want to complain because it's like, what's the complaint for? I got a team, I got a squad here that has my back, my front, and my side. So it don't matter what comes our way. And then they change up the attitude of I did that. No, 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 no. We did that. And even if the team didn't all the way commit as far as adding things, they may have added a little suggestion here or say, hey, tweak that. And that person may have done all the work, but everyone is getting all the accolades. No one is taking all of the accolades. And that, see, ladies and gentlemen, when you have that, then that means you're out of a micromanaged environment and then you're into a leadership environment. Ooh, I love that. Let's move on to point number three. Point number three, it enhances team cohesion.